messes don't just happen. They build up, and when they do, you need a machine built for more. The Mighty M Work Pro Series 6-gallon carpet extractor. Powerful, durable, professional. At home, it's the answer for deep cleaning whole rooms and carpets, not just the occasional spill. From ground-in dirt to food stains, the heated solution penetrates fibers, while the 100 psi pump and 3-stage vacuum motor pull everything out, leaving carpets fresh and restored. In professional settings, it's built to go further. Hotels, rental fleets, and janitorial crews rely on the Work Pro Series 15-foot vacuum and solution hose, 4-inch Clearview upholstery tool, and 2-piece stainless steel jet wand deliver reach and coverage that keeps work moving efficiently. Every detail is designed for performance. A 600-watt inline heater warms solutions up to 182 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum cleaning power. The 6-gallon tank means fewer stops to refill or empty, and the non-skid wheels and casters provide smooth mobility room after room. And when the job's done, quick access fill and disposal ports make cleanup simple. Backed by industry-leading warranties, including lifetime coverage on its rugged housing, the Work Pro Series 6-gallon carpet extractor is built for years of service. From homeowners who demand a deeper clean to professionals who clean for a living, the Mighty M Work Pro Series 6-gallon carpet extractor is performance you can count on.